Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to launch Warhammer 40,000 Boltgun game on your Windows computer, or if you're facing crashing and freezing. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Sometimes a simple restart takes care of the problem. So simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, launch the game. This has worked for many players, so it might work for you. Now the next step is to rename OpenXR folder. Now for this, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Now open the engine folder over here. Now open the binaries folder. Now open third party folder. Now over here you can see OpenXR folder. Make a right click and then rename it to whatever you want. So I will rename it as OpenXR old. Now launch the game. Now the next step is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So make a right click on the game once again, select manage, then click on browse local files, and then make a right click on the Warhammer 40,000 Boltgun game, and then select properties, go to compatibility tab, and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply, click on OK. Now open the Boltgun folder. Now open the binaries folder. Now open Win64. Here also you can see the game.exe file. Make a right click, select properties, go to compatibility tab, and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply, click on OK, and then make a double click over here and try launching the game from the game installation folder. So make a double click over here and then launch the game. If that does not work, open this Boltgun folder, binaries, Win64, make a double click and then try launching the game. But still you're facing the problem. In that case, this time make a right click once again and then select properties, go to the compatibility tab, and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 8, and then click on apply, click on OK, and then make a double click and then launch the game. If that does not work, open Boltgun folder, binaries folder, Win64, make a right click once again, select properties, go to compatibility, put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, click on apply, click on OK, and then make a double click and launch the game. Still you're facing the problem. This time again go to properties, and then this time select Windows 7 from the list, and then click on apply, click on OK, and then make a double click over here and then launch the game. Still you're facing the problem. Then make a right click on this exe file, select properties, compatibility, and this time select Windows 7, click on apply, click on OK, make a double click, and then try launching the game from here. But still you're facing the problem, nothing is working. In that case, remove everything from compatibility. So go to this tab and then uncheck the box as an administrator. Also uncheck this box, click on apply, click on OK, open Boltgun folder, binaries folder, Win64, make a right click once again over here, and then again uncheck run as administrator, uncheck this, and then click on apply, click on OK, and then follow the next step. Now the next step is to verify the game file. To verify the game file, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the local files tab, and then click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification, launch the game. Now the next step is to delete the save game files. Now before you delete the save game files, let me inform you that this will result in loss of game progress. So you will lose all the game progress and you have to start everything from scratch. So if you want, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder. Now open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data over here on the top, click on view, and then put a check on the box which says hidden items, put a check over here, and then you should be able to see app data. If you have Windows 11, somewhere over here you will find view option, click on view, select show, and then put a check on hidden items, and then open app data folder. Now open the local folder. Over here you can see Boltgun folder, make a right click and then click on delete. Once this is deleted, now launch the game. Now the next step is to try DX11 or DX12 in launch option. So make a right click on the game, select properties. In the launch option, type in -DX11 and then launch the game. If that does not work, try -DX12 and then launch the game. If nothing works, you can remove this and then follow the next step. Now the next step is to allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows security, then open Windows settings. Now once you open Windows settings, If you have Windows 10, click on update and security. So if you have Windows 10, click on update and security, and then click on Windows security. Now if you have Windows 11, in that case you will find privacy and security option. In Windows 11 on the left hand side you will find privacy and security. For Windows 11 users, click on privacy and security. Windows 10 users, click on update and security, and then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Now click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow, and then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So if the game is installed in C drive, open C drive, open program files x86, open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Over here you will find the game folder. In my case it's in different drive. So open Steam folder, Steam apps, common, and then open the game folder. So find the game folder. So open this Boltgun folder and then select this exe file. Now click on open. Click on yes to allow. Now once the game is added, again click on allow another app, add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps, and then open this Boltgun folder, open binaries win64, select this exe file. Now click on open. Now once the game is added over here, now open control panel. So type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel. Now click on system and security. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall, and then click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on change settings on the top. Now click on allow another app. Now click on browse, and then go to the game installation folder once again. Open Steam, Steam apps, common, and then open this Boltgun folder. Now select this exe file, click on open. Now click on add. Now again click on allow another app, browse, and this time open Boltgun folder, binaries win64, select this exe file. Now click on open. Now click on add. Now once the game is added over here, now click on OK, and then launch the game. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, do a clean installation of your graphics driver. This is important. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA website. Now select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here, and then select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. Then click on start search. Now scroll down. Over here you will find the latest graphics card driver. Right now the driver version is 531.79. So click on get download, and once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on agree and continue, and then select custom option. So put a check on custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. So make sure that you put a check over here, and then click on next, and let the installation complete. After the installation, restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is to disable Steam overlay. For this, make a right click on the game, select properties, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game. Uncheck this box and then launch the game. Also close all the overlay applications. So if you have overlay on Discord, turn off overlay in Discord, turn off overlay in GeForce Experience, or you can simply close all the overlay applications. So close all the overlay application. Also close all the overclocking applications. So if you have MSI Afterburner running, close it. If you have Riva Tuner running, close it. So close all the overclocking application. Also perform clean boot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box, and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here first, and then click on disable all, and then click on apply, click on OK. So make sure that you put a check on hide all Microsoft services. In my case, I already did it. This is grayed out right now. In your case, this would be highlighted. So put a check over here, then click on disable all. Now click on apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option, restart your computer, and then launch the game. Now the next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now if your computer has a dual graphic card, Make sure that you run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse over here and again go to the game installation folder and then open the Steam folder, Steam apps common folder. Now open Boltgun folder, select this exe file. Now click on add. Once the game is added over here, click on options, high performance, select high performance and then click on save. Again click on browse and this time open Boltgun folder, binaries win64, select this exe file. Now click on add. Once the game is added, click on options, select high performance. Now click on save. Now launch the game. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. For this, type in view advanced system settings in Windows search box and then click on view advanced system settings. Now click on the first settings and then go to the advanced tab and then click on change. By default, automatically manage paging file would be selected over here. Uncheck this box and then select the drive where the game is installed and then put a check on custom size, and then for me this is working. Initial size is 1.5 into total RAM. Now check the total RAM in your computer. So you can open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about, and then over here you can see the total RAM. In my case it's 8 gigabytes. So it might be 16 in your case. So in my case it's 8 gigabyte. Now you have to convert 8 gigabyte into megabyte. For this, you open calculator on your computer, and in my case total RAM is 8 gigabyte. We have to convert this to megabyte into 1024, that is 8192 megabyte. So total RAM as per 8 gigabyte in megabyte is 8192 for me. So initial size is 1.5 into total RAM, that is this is the total RAM into 1.5, that is 12288, and maximum size for me it's 3 into total RAM. Now total RAM is 8192 in megabyte into 3, so for me it's 24576. Enter the numbers over here, then click on set, click on OK, click on OK, and then click on apply, OK, OK. Now the next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Download x86 version and then download x64. So you have to download both x86 and x64 and then run both the exe file. So click on it. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. Again run the second file as well. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install and let the installation complete. Make sure both the installation are complete. Once done, you will see a restart option like this. So once both the installation are complete, click on restart, and after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to update your Windows to the latest version. Now make sure your Windows is up to date. This is important. So go to Windows settings, go to update and security or Windows update, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to disconnect multiple monitors. So try launching the game on single monitor. Unplug all the USB devices which you're not using. So if you have these devices connected, disconnect it and then launch the game. Also, if you have these software running in Task Manager, make sure that you close these software. So make sure only the Steam and the game is running. Rest, close everything including all your browsers. Also, if you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Now the next step is to update your system BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your computer, select your model number, and then find the latest BIOS update available and then update the system BIOS. Now in case of laptop, so if you have a laptop, make sure the battery on your computer is more than 10% and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to the computer when you're updating the BIOS. Now during the BIOS update, your system will restart. Do not unplug the power cable when it's updating the system BIOS. After the BIOS update, log into the computer and then launch the game. Next step is to try window mode. So if you are able to launch the game, switch to window mode and lower down graphics settings. So launch the game. Now go to options in the game and then go to video. Now over here, if the resolution is set to 4K, you can try 1920 into 1080p. You can even lower down more and you can confirm. Now if this is set to full screen, you can try window mode and then check. Now scroll down, turn off VSync. Now you can set the FPS to 60. Scroll down. If the gore pool size is set to high, you can set it to medium, or you can even go for low. Put this to 0. Now if post processing quality is set to ultra, you can try high. You can even go for medium or low. Turn this off. Now if material quality is set to ultra, you can set it to high, medium, or you can even go for low. Now apply the settings and then check the performance. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So uninstall the game. After you uninstall the game, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, restart your computer and then reinstall the game to different drive. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the game running on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.